In this video, I will be showing you how to convert image to video by using the latest Gemini Omni Flash model. So let's get started. I'll be showing you this both in the Gemini app as well as the Google Labs flow. So this is the image that I'm having. I'll be just converting it into video. So for this, make sure that you're having a paid subscription of Gemini and just come into the home interface, click on this plus and click on, we'll be taken to the Gemini interface like this. Here just upload the image of your choice. I've just uploaded this F1 car image and I'm just going to give this as my prompt. So basically I'm just asking this particular image to come into life, just add some movement and motion. Along with that, add some lions running nearby the cars also, just to make it more challenging. So I've just given this prompt. You can simply get this prompt by just uploading this image to Gemini itself and say, hey Gemini, can you please give me a image to video prompt for this, and it will give this prompt automatically. Okay, so now let's see what it gives as the output. That looks quite good. The lions are appearing and the cars are going. Yep, could be better, but I wouldn't complain. I will just give a 80 for it out of 100. And if you want to do the exact same in Flow, just search for Flow. We'll be having labs.google. Click on Flow and make sure that you are signing in with the exact same account that you used for Gemini. And click on New Project. And here you will be having video. Select it and we'll be having the previous VO models also. Just select for Omni Flash, and the good thing is here we can customize it to a greater extent. Here we are having the number of seconds in the output and number of output also. We are having 4 videos generated at a single prompt, and we are also having frames, which is the start frame and the end frame. If you want only one image, just go to ingredients and aspect ratio also. So much more customizable over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.